Good Saturday, everyone! Maayong Sabado! Ciao to bye! Welcome to our second episode of What's in Your Pantry? I hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Last week, we featured how to make your own coffee face mask. I hope you're able to make it. If not, click down the link wherever that is and subscribe to our channel so you will get to learn skincare in the comfort of your kitchen. This week in our skin education, we also featured or talked about the hows and whys of exfoliation. So, we are going to make sugar scrubs.
Sugar scrubs are great for skin exfoliation as it lifts away dirt and excess oil.
Fun fact, do you know what's in your sugar? Glycolic acid. This naturally occurs in your sugar that cleanses your skin and dissolve dead skin cells. Also, it is a humectant. It means that it draws moisture to your skin without stripping away your natural oil. Therefore, it is non-drying. But why brown sugar? Because it is the gentlest, which is a good choice to those who have sensitive skin. And because it's gentle, you can use it for 3 times a week.
Scrubs are so easy to make. You only need 2 main ingredients. The rest are optional. So, what can we mix it with? Coconut oil. It's moisturizing, conditioning, it has antibacterial properties. Olive oil. It's rich in vitamins A, E, and D, which are great skin moisturizers. What do we need? Glass jar or any container that's available to you. Measuring cup or spoon, or your regular cup or spoon will do. So, let's do this. First, measure 1 cup sugar and put it in a glass jar. Next, add 3 tablespoons of your preferred oil. I'm adding coconut oil as my personal favorite. 1 tablespoon at a time. Mixing in between. Note that you want the consistency to be sandy, not soapy. If the mix is too soapy, the sugar will dissolve in 1 or 2 days, and you don't want that to happen. For added scent, you can mix a few drops of your favorite essential oil, such as peppermint, lavender, grapefruit, lemon. Sky's the limit. I'm adding my favorite lemon and lavender. Mix it well. Apply your scrub on wet skin. Rub sugar gently in circular motion. Rinse well. Pat dry. Apply your favorite cream to give added moisture. I personally use Kayo's Whip Body Butter. It's 50% shea and cocoa butter and 50% oil goodness. Enjoy! So, why don't you give it a try and let us know what you think. If it's good and safe to eat, it definitely is good and safe for your skin. Like and subscribe to our channel for more wellness and beauty tips. Until next time, bye!